Alright, so on the Nitro T we had some broken pieces, and well, not some broken pieces, that's just mainly just this one. This is the bevel gear that goes inside the differential housing, right inside there where that hole's at, back here where my thumb's at. So what I done is I 3D printed one. The other camera over there now. It's going to be a little difficult to see still, just because of where it's at. But hopefully you can kind of see that. So what I'm going to try to do is fish it down in there, get the bearing seated like so, okay? And then, excuse me, we'll fit our differential back in there and see if it works. So let's get to doing that part now. Oh, there we go. And then the wrong way the whole time. Alright. So hopefully you can kind of see what I got going on there. Housing back on, and these two go on the bottom, these two go on the top. Now let's take a peek at it before we go any further. Kind of show you down inside there. Hopefully you can see the gear down in here. We get a flashlight on it for you. Okay, you can see it pretty good down there now. So that's what we're looking to do. We're going to find out if this does anything at all. If it works, doesn't work, whatever. So check it out. I'm gonna lock this down for just a minute so it doesn't move, because otherwise it's just gonna, everything's just gonna want to keep moving on me. Now, before we go any further, we have to set this in place. So let's go ahead and get that one done now. See if we can get our screw to take as well. Sometimes being plastic, it goes, sometimes it does not. And I'm sure we can get something rolling, but you know, just never know. So if you look at the output shaft there on the top here, right there, you'll notice it does move. So, I mean, temporarily anyway, this might be a small fix. I still want a metal one, but I can't find the parts. So this is like next best thing, or just, you know, another thing. I don't like to use next best thing very often because it's still not what I wanted in the model. So what we can do is we can go ahead and lock in these screws here so that we can take our one on the bottom off. And then nothing should move. It all should be seated in there properly, and we can go ahead and start putting this thing back together and lining everything up properly and seeing if it's going to work, because I'm getting a little excited now. This might be kind of cool to mess around with. Now, it's not going to be, super durable, obviously, but do we really need it to be? I don't know. So that's for our top support. All right. See if anything even rolls. It does. Have the brakes engaged, maybe. I mean, it's stiff, but it's working.
Got to severely tune it, but yeah. As you can see, all wheels are now turning. Yeah, man. There we go, guys. It does work. This is with the 3D printed bevel gear. I'm not gonna go too hard with it. I don't know how long it'll last. And it's out of tune. I just wanted to kind of run it around a little bit. There you go. Ones that have not seen the second one. This is the first one. Runs great. This is the one that has the 3D printed bevel gear. Also runs okay. Got some tuning and stuff to do to it, but biggest thing is that it now runs. So fantastic.